Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing the February edition of Allure Beauty Box. You guys want to see what I got in here, what my pains are, then definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off this video by saying I apologize for my atrocious makeup. Oh yeah. This is a look that I cannot wait to wash off my face. I just got done filming my BoxyCharm PR versus purchased. That was a moment. The foundation I'm wearing, lesson learned, Allie. So we're gonna ignore how my face looks because I promise if you're new here, I do know how to do makeup. I'm not professional at it. I'm an average consumer, but I could do better than this. So, and if my mic is off, like I said, I'm filming 2 videos back to back, so we're trying to figure out the adjusting sound. So hopefully it sounds good. Let me know in the comments below. So if you guys don't already know, Allure is a monthly subscription service that costs you $15 a month. I believe it's $10 when you first enroll, but you get 2 full-size items with 3 sample-size items to accompany it, so 5 items altogether with a retail value over $75 plus. I find this box to be very confusing because last month's box, I got like this little like Allure lip balm. That was a $30 lip balm, but I thought that was a sample size. Coming to find out, it was a full size, and it was $30 for that little dinky little thing. No, I did not keep it. I hated it. It smelled horrible. Chrissy loved it, and I'm so glad that she did. I couldn't stand it. So let's just dive into this box. All right. So as always, they do like to throw in a little pamphlet to tell you guys what you guys are getting. And so the first item I'm picking up is this Olay Vitamin B3 Plus Retinol Complex 24-hour hydration. This is a the package includes 1 Regenerous Retinol 24 mini jar and a bonus $3 coupon towards your next purchase of Olay Regenerous Retinol 24. This is the actual size in the box. Are we a full size? Are we a half size? What are we? We are not going to talk about it. It's not featured in here. Okay, it's just on this little back. So, oh my God, this is the front. I was showing you guys the back the whole time. Wow. Y'all, I'm so good at this. This is why you guys should go check out Chrissy Harless, because she is known for subscription service box. She's known for subscription boxes. I'm not. And this is a little tiny little thing. Let's see. This is a nighttime moisturizer. I do like how it labeled that nighttime moisturizer and fragrance free. I should have realized that, but I'm excited to give this a try. I know retinol is really, really good for your skin, so I kind of like that this is a, oh my God, Jesus. I kind of like this is a nighttime moisturizer. I'm definitely gonna give this a try. I have very, very oily skin, so I try to keep it as hydrated as possible to help reduce a lot of oil buildup that happens. But this is cool. I think this is definitely a sample size. There's no way this is a full size. And I do have the $3 coupon code in there. All right, the next product is from Wander Beauty. What are you? You are a Wonder Glow After Hours. Oh, you're a highlighter. A single highlighter from Wander Beauty. Do we have any information? So the full size product of this is $30 for the full size product, and you can enter WB Allure at checkout to receive 20% off your purchase. It's valid through the 31st of March. But this is the highlighter right here. There's no way this is the full size. This can't be the full size. Is this the full size? There's no way this is the full size, right? If this is the full size, I would never in a million years spend $30 on this, but if this is the full size, if you guys haven't watched my last video, I talked about how every single month from now on, I do want to curate a box to give away to one of you guys, because I get so much makeup or so much skincare products in all my subscription boxes that I'm never going to go through all of it. Just never going to happen, especially with me getting PR with Boxy. I get 2 BoxyCharm boxes a month, well, not including my premium, that's 3, and then next month I'll have 4. I'm bound to get duplicate items. I don't want to keep everything, so I'm just going to curate a box to start giving away. So I'm going to throw this in there because I know for a fact I'm never going to use this. I don't really wear a highlighter that much as it is, and if I do, this is not really a color that I would necessarily go for. So I'm going to go ahead and just put that aside for the giveaway, but I think it's cool it's in here. All right, the next product is from Believe. This is the Peach Miracle Vital Eye Cream. Ooh, it's an eye cream. And on here, it says that the full price of this is $58. You could have either gotten this or the Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. I guess it'd be kind of cool to try an eye cream. I don't really try that many eye creams, but I really should because apparently all my subscription boxes say I'm really old and give me products for saggy, wrinkly skin. So it's time I have an eye cream and just to add to the mixture, right? So that's exciting. Hopefully you smell good. Ooh, you smell clean and fresh. Awesome. All right, the next product, obviously this is full size. This is an NYX or the NYX makeup brush. It's either priced between $14 to $17 depending on the brush that you got. I seem to have gotten the Probe 03 brush, whatever this is. I could tell you right now, I will never use this because I am obsessed with my bling brushes. They are sitting right behind me. You guys know how much I love my bling brushes. I have all 3 sets right there. I do have a code. It's code Allie. I never really push my code that often, mostly because I forget and I just don't want to be a pusher to you guys. But I'm going to go ahead and throw this in that box as well because I know I'm just not going to get a use out of this. So, all right, the next product is from Bare Minerals. This is the Vital Power Infusion. What are you? This is a Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion Serum. The price of this is $58. I'm assuming for the full size. I don't think this is a full size right here. Well, what are your benefits? Promotes skin vitality infused with moisture, reawakens the look of youth, and enhances skin resilience. Ooh, it just kind of shot. Oh, that's fun. Smells nice and clean. I'm definitely excited to give this a try. I like trying different facial products. It's how I kind of find out what works for me and what doesn't work for me. So this is exciting to give this a try. Look at that atrocious foundation right there. Ugh. But this is exciting to give that a try. All right, and I think this is a sample size. They don't ever really mark in here what is a full size, what's a sample size. It just sucks that they don't do that. I really, really wish they'd help us out. Help me out. I don't know. All right, the last product is, this has to be a full size. This is the Apparel Ultra Cream Lipstick in Muse. The retail price of this is $21. Okay, ooh, that's a really pretty color. Ooh, that's really pretty. I like that. Okay, that's exciting. I'm excited to give this a try. That's awesome. I never heard of Appeal makeup before, so that's really, really cool. And then the last product I got, this I guess has to be in the full size, I believe. Maybe, maybe not. This is the Honey Jarrett Super Beauty Mask. The full price on this is $3, so obviously this is the full size. And this is for... This is the rose, and this selected premium tea and rose extract contains antioxidants, brightening, and calming effects, which allows the skin to stay moisturized and rejuvenated. I do like masks like this. My only issue is that these are the type of mask that you just like place fully onto your skin. Like it already has the hole, the nose, and the mouth. I have a tiny head, so these masks don't ever fit me properly. They look really, really funky, and they make for a good laugh. Hey, Corey, watch this. Hello, Clarice. Oh, yo, okay, for real though. If I ain't the sexiest person you've ever seen. This is such a look. Like who wears the you know, it just is so soaking wet. It's not even funny. Hours and have fun with this. Oh my god. See, look at my face. I have a tiny little face. You have to tuck it all in. And it's like sitting on my upper lip. Let me just push that down. This thing is soaping like wet. I better be beauty after this. Face test. Oh, wet my mouth. But I do like trying out facial masks. So overall, I'm not upset with this box at all. I think I'm only giving away 2 items out of the 5. So I think it's cool that out of the 6, actually. I got 6 products in here. So that is awesome. Oh wait, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 7 products in here. I got 7 products. I'm giving away 2 out of the 5. That is not bad at all. I really do like my Allure Beauty. I can never decide whether I like it more than my Sephora Play box. I don't know. That box has been disappointing me a lot lately. And I feel like when there's like a box I'm not really that excited about, I feel like you guys can see it in the videos and I'm just like, what a boring video. But I try and Yeah, I think it's cool. Like I said, this is only $15 a month. I got seven items in here. I believe 2 full-size products or 3 full-size products actually. So that is really not a bad deal for $15. I know they run specials every single month, or if you sign up, you get to have like a full-size set of this or full-size set of that, $10 here, this and that. Like they do so many specials all the time. So definitely go check them out. And yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 to 7. I post whenever I want, all the time. And also, you guys head on over to my other channel. It is R for Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful, adventures, amazing fiance, Corey. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll see you guys very next video. Bye! We are doing done. Oh, I should probably have this ready. Didn't realize you were not facing the other side. Embarrassing. Embarrassing. Did I ever get my Sephora? No, I did not get my Sephora. But no. Oh, it's pink. All right. Oh my. It's dripping. Oh my god. This reminds me of Hannibal Lecter. Thumbnails time. Thumbnail. Thumbnail.